figure out the reason there's only two of us, because we've had a bit of a dust up with the other two. Be sure to see the first video where we take you up the ridgeline that the search and rescue took in 1963. We drop down to the crash site of the DC-3 in the Kaimais. We show you the fuselage where the memorial plaque is, and then we head back to the hut where we make a decision in the morning not to continue on. Hi folks, so here we are again at Kauritatahi Hut, and
Groundhog Day.
Groundhog Day. So look, the weather has really packed in, and once again I've had to relent here. It's been a wonderful time here at Kauritatahi. We got to meet 5 other people. Very, very crowded, but we've had a wonderful time. So we'll catch you a little bit further on the trail. So what we're intending to do is to go back to Motutapere Hut. So that's probably a good 4 hours away, maybe 5, and then we're going to go down a hunter's track down to Killarney Lakes, and then we're out. So follow us along. This video is going to be called Not Meant to Be. Again. Thanks, on. This is the reason we've bailed. It's the wise decision, I think. We wouldn't want to be caught up on the ridgeline in weather like this. Yeah, so sadly, bailed again. So that's the old north-south track up to Kauritatahi. So from this point to Kauritatahi Hut it's 2.47 kilometres. To be fair, today is pretty damn crappy, so it's really slippery. Going is a little bit slower. And we've now been walking in total for 1 hour and 19 minutes.
On track, lads.
Yep. So Zeb and Jess, if you're watching, this is your spot that you camped at together. I don't think it was a hut site, but I'd go for some sort of timber mill. Can you find a track anywhere, Graham?
No. Bit of an overkill, isn't it?
Yeah.
State highway, I think.
Yeah. Gets worse. Okay, so this is the Thompson's track. So from Kauritatahi it's 3.7 kilometres, and we've now been walking 1 hour and 53. So that's the trail runner that's just come through. He's left State Highway 29, and from what he's just told us, he's coming out at Te Hanga Ridge. So pretty impressive. That's about 82 kilometres in a day. Makes me feel old. I remember this, Graham. I just about came a cropper on it. Oh! No, no, seriously, are you okay? John, can you check him out, John? Because that was pretty big. No, my leg is, I just a little bit of my finger, go fine. All good, check out, all good. Will the mysterious creature called Arnold demonstrate his graceful hiking skills again? No. We wouldn't fall down there, would we? No, that is a long way down. From Kauritatahi Hut, it's been 8.25 kilometres, does feel a little bit longer than that. And we've currently been walking for 4 hours basically, and we're now at Motutapere Hut. So we're just going to sidle on down here and stay the night? No, we're going to have some lunch and carry on.
Nice, awesome.
And then possibly stay the night.
One person will.
Can you guess what I want to do?
No surprises there, Dave.
Don't drop me in, guys.
Don't panic, we're not stopping. Hello, darling boy. How's the dog?
Oi. You guys had a good walk here? You're okay?
Yeah, we just come from Kauritatahi. There you go, man.
It's your cooking gear.
Oh, my feet need a break.
Last leg of the journey, four of us are still talking to each other.
Yeah.
Still got a smile on our face.
Yeah, I'm a lot happier now that I've filmed Arnold falling over.
Yeah, there's been a lot of.
I really appreciate that effort.
They've made some good films.
And it's still jolly raining.
Still raining, but I can smell the home fires.
This is fast becoming our favourite track in and out. The hut site's there, and this is where we're going out to Killarney Lakes. 5 hours and 36 so far. We've done a distance of 8.5k, and we're on our last leg.
Last of the giant remus.
Oh mate, she's a beautiful girl.
Not many giant remus like that left, Dave.
Okay.
We must be down a bit to a certain level because all the cicadas are living here.
If you haven't seen the video, Kaimai cleanup, Arnold and I cleaned up a tent that had been abandoned here for about 2 years, and we took out something like about 3 kgs worth of rubbish. So we're just going to stop here now. I've got to give Farmer Steve a call and arrange for our pickup. Now look, if you're still watching, thank you so much. I really appreciate that. But you know what to do. Don't forget to hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and you can be rest assured that you'll be getting another exciting outdoor adventure with Outdoorsman Dave and maybe friends. This is what really happens behind the camera. Don't know what the other boys are doing. I mean, we left at the same time. Still way behind. We're just coming on the end of our 2-day hike. Our hiking time has been 7 hours 27 from Kauritatahi, and we've walked just over 14 kilometres.
Great. Awesome, yeah, and our ride's right on time.
Yeah, so what would have been the highlight?
Oh, well, rediscovering the DC-3 I think was pretty awesome.
Yeah, so we found the plaque which we didn't find the first time. Yeah.
And just hanging out too with the lads. We always have an adventure with Dave, and it's been a great one.
Yeah, look, if you're trying to figure out the reason there's only 2 of us, because we've had a bit of a dust up with the other 2. They're a little bit slower, so. Anyway, here's Farmer Steve.
Morning.
Bang on time, man. How perfect is that?
That was a lovely track.
Awesome.